Ayan guys, nasagot na yung tanong. Nakuha ko na yung matamis niyang oo. Miss P, thank you.
Yes!
She said yes.
Diba?
Diba pare?
Oh, good.
Hello, Hong Kong! Hello! Pambansang manliligaw! Hi, Victoria! Nakita niyo na ba yung letter ni Miss B? Gusto niyo bang basahin ko dito? Pag umabot tayo ng 6K viewers, babasahin ko. 8.8? Oh my, ang bilis nyo ah. Gusto nyo talaga, malapit na tayo sa 4K. Let's go! At 6K, babasahin ko yung letter.
Chris Lawrence nagpakilig sa loob ng airport dahil sa liham ni Katrina Halili. Welcome back to Philippine Celebrity Broadcast. Matapos na ang palitan ng love letter ni Chris Lawrence at Katrina Halili, ay maraming supporters ang nag-abang kung ano nga ba ang kasagutan sa ginawang panliligaw ni Chris Lawrence, hanggang sa nakamit na nga ang matamis na oo. Na emosyonal pa si Chris Lawrence habang nagbasa sa sulat ni Katrina.
After careful reflection, soul-searching, and 2 sleepless nights while listening to the whispers of butterflies in my stomach, my answer is yes. You are the one I have been waiting for. You are the one I have been waiting for to once again knock on the door of my heart. Miss B. Alright, so it's official. Nililigawan pala si Miss B, guys. I'm happy. Masaya ako. Grabe. Lately, iyak ako ng iyak. But this is masaya. Yeah. So, ayan guys. Nasagot na yung tanong. Nakuha ko na yung matamis niyang oo. Miss B, thank you.
Yes!
She said yes.
Diba?
Diba pare?
Oh, good.
Dahil nga sa matamis na oo mula kay Katrina Halili, ay biglang lumipad si Chris Lawrence pabalik ng Pilipinas, na kung saan sa kanyang stopover sa Hong Kong ay bigla itong nag-Facebook Live.
Hello, Hong Kong! I was like, yeah?
We need like enough things to start coming in and
Hello! Pambansang manliligaw! Hi, Victoria!
I know yan. He gave it to me so I could sell it. So I could sell it.
Hello! Shout out kay Melissa. Bell. Hello.
Madalas. Kaya ayaw na lang.
Facebook. That's where I'm like, yeah, I got no social.
Yeah, no, I share all my socials.
Well, I mean, I do have one social account, Instagram account, but he's really young. He made the shit and gave it to me. It's like, yeah,
How's everybody today? Happy Sunday sa inyong lahat dyan.
what I said? I'm like, let me check.
Ang Buzz Vlogs. Hello, Ang Buzz. That's a subscriber.
Right.
I can see your badge.
Yeah, but what motivated you to delete everything?
To get his mental health.
Yeah, that's
Keep that straight. Honestly,
it's called doom scrolling. You know, once you go,
honestly, that's the move, bro. I would love to do that, but that's my work. So
yeah, no, you got to promote yourself. It's all mental health stuff. Just get away from that. I gotta keep scrolling. The only thing I really got right now is X.
Okay.
Like Twitter.
hello, Dubai.
So I get.
Ooh, happy 3K
I'll get
viewers.
Like
Dang, that was fast, guys.
I mean, like, oh, you know, blah blah blah.
X is that one.
It's not.
You're not doom scrolling and
Yeah, like
it's
looking at
like,
pictures going on.
Nakita niyo na ba yung letter ni Miss B?
To an extent, it's still kind of doom scrolling. Don't get me wrong. Like you still scroll.
Gusto niyo bang basahin ko dito? Pag umabot tayo ng 6K viewers, babasahin ko.
In English.
Tagalog. They want the Tagalog.
Oh, okay.
I did it in English. They want the Tagalog version.
It took you a minute to read it, right?
It took me 10 minutes to read it.
I couldn't even understand what you were saying, man. It's too deep.
Right?
Bro.
Right?
But I was born here. Like, I was just trying to figure it out.
So, you know what when I was reading the letter, the first thing is like blah 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 upang inaabot ang it's like,
You're like, what? You're like,
I
what?
was like, wow, this is like
You had to Google stuff. What is
like I'm taking a picture and chat GPT this thing. That's what I did.
Habang inaantay nga ni Chris Lawrence na dumami ang kanyang viewers, ay nangako ito na kapag umabot ng 6,000 viewers ang kanyang live, ay muling babasahin ang love letter mula kay Katrina Halili na kung saan napasubo ito dahil biglang nagdagsaan ang mga nanonood. Para sa buong kwento, narito ating panoorin ang video. Narito ang video.
3.8. Oh my, ang bilis nyo ah. Gusto nyo talaga, malapit na tayo sa 4K. Let's go! At 6K, babasahin ko yung letter. Anyway, we had a successful show. Thank you to everybody that came out. Semi-successful. But I was happy to see a lot of the cake. Alam mo, pag sinabi ko kasi KKK dito, iba yung dating. Medyo may negative connotation dito sa States. But maybe we could say triple K while we're in the States. Triple K. Maraming salamat sa mga triple K na pumunta. Triple K fam. Oh my God, you guys really want me to read the letter, huh?
Getting to 6,000.
Jeez.
well, yeah, I did. I wrote with them.
Chris Lawrence na insomnia.
I just started.
Sorry na. Ayan, malapit na sa 5K.
Oh, yeah, you know it.
Oh my God, nasa 5K.
Chopping it up over here.
I just,
You waiting on that food?
I have to read it.
All right, let's go, guys.
Let's go.
6,000.
Did you guys get to watch the video?
Put it there, type it.
Get some feedback on the new songs.
It's official, guys.
All right, gotcha.
Manliligaw na ako kay Miss B.
From my Lola.
I wish I could see Chris Lawrence in person.
Grabe kayo.
I wish I could sing with him.
Grabe. Sinabi ko lang 6K, magsi-60. Dapat sinabi ko 12K. You know what? I'm a man of my word and I'm gonna do it. Okay?
5.7.
Jeez.
At 6. I need 5 hours. You need
You guys are crazy, but I love how crazy you guys are. I gotta get the.
6K.
Oh my god, I gotta get the.
They just drawing.
He's got to follow through 6K.
16,000.
16 ba? Feeling ko sinabi ko 16. 16, di ba 16 sinabi ko? Di ba 16 sinabi ko? 6 ba or 16?
6.2 na.
Kaya,
Oh, everybody's joining in, right? Oh, is it? Facebook.
alright. Dapat babasahin ko sa room. Medyo mas tahimik. Kaso, may mga nakikita ko lumalabas na sa YouTube na kasi binasa ko sa concert. Eh, marami naman nagpo-post. Sa feeling ko, since letter ko, dapat mas maganda manggaling sa akin. Diba? At may permission ako ni Miss B. So, since may permission ako ni Miss B, babasahin ko na ang liham ni Miss B.
7K.
Here we go. Pasensya na sa sa bululness. Kasi alam ko bulol talaga. So here we go. Mahal. Mali agad, di ba? Mahal. Mahal na Ginoong Mr. B. Mahal na Ginoong Mr. B.
Over here, one more.
Narinig niyo ba ako? Klaro ba yung boses ko? Kung klaro yung boses ko, please type 8. Kung klaro yung boses ko, please type 8. And then mag-continue ako. Shout out say Angelo May. Thank you guys. Salamat. Since nakatambay naman kayo, pwede nyo yan. Pwede. Actually, you know what? Mas maganda. Okay lang po ba lumipat tayo sa Red App? Is that okay? Lahat naman tayo may Red App pa dito. Pwede ba tayo lumipat sa Red App? Yeah? Okay lang. Uy, thank you sa stars, pare. Okay. Hindi A. 8. Letter 8. Okay.
I don't know how Facebook works, but I definitely think on YouTube Live, that job right now. With that many followers.
Okay. Guys, okay lang. Tanggal ang... Okay. Is it okay, guys? Lipat tayo sa Red App. Lipat tayo sa Red App. Doon ko babasahin. Okay? I love you guys. When I end this, lilipat ako sa Red App. Kita-kits po tayo dun. Okay? Kung hindi nyo alam yung Red App, please type it here. Actually, you know what? Since i-end ko naman, yung Red App is YouTube. Kita tayo sa YouTube. Bye!
Hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating video at kung nagustuhan nyo, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at pindutin nyo na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify ko sa ating susunod na video. Maraming salamat!